Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acid. 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 Acid is a substance that typically has a sour taste, can turn blue litmus paper red, and has a pH less than 7. In chemistry, acids are defined as compounds that donate a proton, H+, or accept an electron pair in a chemical reaction. Here are some examples. Example number 1, lemon juice adds a tangy, acidic flavor to the dish. Why acid is used in example number 1. Acid is used in the context of cooking and taste. Example number 2, car batteries contain sulfuric acid to generate electrical energy. Why acid is used in example number 2. Acid is related to its application in batteries. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.